They have Barbie stuff at the dollar store. $1. I have a little dog and a cat with a ball. There's a bunny with a carrot. Kitten. This is a headband pack. And a purse pack. Barbie mermaid and purses. There's a different mermaid. Is that a mermaid? Princess. And let's see. The dollhouse, but I don't think it's for Barbie. If you want, while there's the Lion King, and let's see, here's Toy Story stickers. Put them up where you can see them better. There's Toy Story. They have LOL surprise stickers. And Minnie Mouse stickers, 4 sheets. A big LOL surprise. There's Jot. Toy Story, Softy Dough. Minnie Mouse, Frozen 2. There's Frozen 2. I got all kinds of dollar store toys here. Down at the bottom, up at the top. There's Minions, Splat 'em. Looks like it's an art kit. They have Disney Princess, LOL Surprise, and Mickey Mouse. Right.